So this is my question part 1. Prepare the above website and prepare similar website or GUI displaying the content as follows. First, daily update of people infected, quarantine, death, recovered, test conducted, is maintained at country and area level. Second, based on user choice, corresponding country level details has to be displayed. So here this is website. So I need to display this type of data. So here I need to display this type of table, and from table this is a country India, so I need to display this type of data. So first uh, I have this is my project national assignment. So in this coronavirus update, so this is the corona pandemic, this is user user project. So in my project I this is view.py, this this is response to our URL, this is URL.py, this is maintain URL, and this is test.py, this is for test our project. Model.py, this is for database, and here in this is setting for setting project, this is URL.py, which URL or project in this folder. So first see this is my user level URL.py, my project. So in my project here I have 3 URLs here maintained, and then this function that responds to this URL request, and then this is main URL.py. Here I include my project path, and so this is my home.html page. In this I pass this is the title, COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. This is CSS part. So from here this division is for heading corona pandemic. This is the date. So here first see how response this page. So this is the request path, home, which.py, which.home. So here this is our folder, which.home. So here in this we pass the request. So here our folder, this is my file object of data.csv, in which I I pass all data of coronavirus. So this is this file data.csv. Here in first worldwide total active, mild, and all of this data. So here in first line means second line our country, all countries, all worldwide data is stored. So here when f is equal to 1, then we get data. So here uh, in k2 means here this is mild condition cases. So this mild condition cases get divided by total active cases, which is percentage of these cases, and 100 minus this percentage means this is a serious or critical cases, and this is same recover or discharge divided by currently closed cases, this is percentage, and 100 minus these cases, this get death cases percentage. So here pass all of this data, first date, then after active cases, then here pass this mild condition cases plus the percentage means string. This is then this is serious or critical cases, and then percentage of it. This is the closed cases. In this, we pass here recover or discharge cases, and in this B3, in B3 we pass death cases, and in C1 we pass total cases, C2 total recover, and C3 total death at worldwide. So here in home.html, so this is my home.html file. So here this is data iteration, this is for loop. So here from that first k.date, here we get k.date, then after this is my name and roll number, this is the second division here, and then after here coronavirus cases at worldwide. So this k.c1 is contained, then the death in k.c2, and recovered in k.c3. So here close this for loop, and then after this is block content. So from here we can uh, extend another HTML file code. So then after here this is the link in this block. So when this user click on this link, then our data is another HTML page is run in this block. So then after this is we again iterate for loop for data. So here this is the division. In this division, first in this division, another division function. This is for active cases, and currently infected patient. Total means active patient. This is in k.a1. Then after in mild condition k.a2, and serious or critical, which is in k.a3. So in after this is a closed cases data in this second division. So here this is closed cases k.b1, then recover and discharge, which is on k.b2, and then death cases, which is in k.b3 here. So and this is the end of for loop, and this is our home.html. So now run our home page. So here run our project on server. So this is my project. Here heading, this is date, today's date, and this is my roll number. This is total cases in all over world, total death, total recover. This is total active cases now. This is in mild condition with percentage. This is serious or critical. This is closed cases. Here this is a closed cases total, and this is from recover, and this is death, and then percentage. So now see uh, our country or country data in table. So this is our cases by HTML. This is extended from home.html. Here, here, from here we extend this block. when clicking on this link, then this page is past that block. So this is the heading of 15 countries data with highest corona case. So here table, align center, border 1 pixel, space between cells 0 pixel. So here heading of table. So in heading of table, country, total cases, new cases, total death, new death, total recovery, active cases, critical cases, and population. So this is our column heading. So from this is our body of table. So in body of table, so first see how this URL responds. So when clicking on that this link, href is equal to add, this is URL. So then this URL maintained here. We got add this request to view.py. So this request here, this add function. So this add function request response to this request. So here our data file which has all country data. So this is all country data. So in this from f greater than 6 and less than 22, we append or retrieve all this data. Here we use import CSV. So retrieve all this data and pass a response to this request. Cases.html and data 1. Here we pass data. So now see this cases dot. So here we iterate our data 1 data. So in this first, this is the row. So in row, find if this country is in the row is USA. Uh, so then background color is red. If country is India, then background color blue, and country is Belgium, then background color green. So then after this is the first our here column, in column country column. So in country column, if country is India, then is request URL India. If country is USA, then this link directly open. Then if this country is Belgium, then this link directly, and so on all country. I pass this link. So I only here display India's data from my side, and another data I put direct link of this data. So if here j.a2 means here this is new cases. So if new cases, then it background means background color means font color is red, and here j.a4 which is new death. So background color is text color is red. So this is end of this for loop and end of this extended block. So see how this works. So this is our all country data, all of 15 countries highest coronavirus cases. So this USS background color red, this Spain, then in decreasing order. So our India with background color blue, and this is the Belgium, the last the background color green. So all of this link for country to see their country level data. So here see how for this india.html page works when clicking on India. So this is the title, and here we don't extend any HTML page. So this is the CSS part. and then here this is heading, date, then total corona cases in India, death, recover. This is first see how this URL works, india.html. So this URL views.india. So this URL will pass from here, cases.html, and here if country is equal to India, then pass URL India. So this is dot URL is dot India. This under this request. So here we first uh, make a object file. Then here in this file is at this 25 26 line have data of India. So for that this if f is equal to 25 means 26 line at data we get and append in the year data. So here our India HTML file. This is the same as a home.html file. So here we pass this all data. Here this is division for closed cases. So see how this works. So here in this India dot this India, here you can see this is total cases in India 82,052. Then date, then recover. This is the closed cases in India. This is 32,618. So and this is recover and date. So here this is, and if more information, then I here link of worldometer direct. So this is the link of there. And this is my project.